Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign out of Google Home app. The Google Home app is tied directly to your Google account, so it doesn't have a traditional sign out button inside the app. Instead, signing out involves removing your Google account from your device or switching accounts within the app, and here is how to do it. So do you want to sign out of Google Home app? Okay, so what you're going to do is to open the Google Home app on your Android or iOS device and go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and you will see the Google accounts currently signed in on your device. So go ahead and click on switch account and select add another account if you want to switch to a different account, or go ahead and tap on an existing account to switch to it. All right, so once you switch, that's how you sign out of the previous one. So to effectively sign out, you can just simply switch to a different account or remove the account from the device entirely. And how do you remove a Google account from your device? On Android, all you need to do is to open the settings of your phone, and once you open the settings, scroll to accounts. Passwords and accounts, and tap Google. Okay, so tap Google, and once you tap Google, then tap on your account, and once you tap on your account, just follow through the steps to remove your account. So here I have a Google account. Now tap on the Google account name. Okay, so for iOS, just open settings, scroll to password and account or mail, depending on the iOS version. Tap on your Google account and select delete account or remove account. Now, removing your Google account from the device sends you out from all Google apps, not just Google Home. And you cannot sign out from the Google Home app alone because it uses the Google account signed into your device. After signing out or switching accounts, reopening the Google Home app will require logging in or confirming the selected accounts. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.